India has intensified its Choksi hunt after fugitive Diamond Thair was granted medical bail by Dominican court. An Indian Air Force plane has landed at the airport in Dominica. Indian Air Force's plane, a Bombardier Global 5000, landed at Dominican Airport at about 4:09 a.m. Indian Standard Time today and left at 5:19 a.m. Multi-crore Punjab National Bank scam accused Mehul Choksi was granted interim bail strictly on medical grounds to travel to Antigua and Barbuda for treatment. Proceedings for illegal entry and judicial review are adjourned till he is certified to travel back to Dominica. Choksi is wanted in India in connection with a 13,500 crore rupees Punjab National Bank fraud case.
Mr. Mehul Choksi had developed neurological issues and there were not fine facilities in Dominica. So they proposed to send him to Trinidad, but we pointed out that we want to go to Antigua because they are the doctors of our choice who have been treating us and who knows our history are there. So he should be sent back to Antigua, and the court acceded to our request and allowed him to go back to Antigua, get himself medically treated till he is fit to travel.
After Mehul Choksi got bail, the Indian Air Force's plane Bombardier has landed in Dominica. Let's get you the details of this on your screens right now. Requesting the producers to bring you details of this. There you go. Indian Air plane for Choksi landed in Dominica. This is a Bombardier Global 5000. That's the aircraft that we're talking about. Has reached the Douglas Charles Airport at 4:09 a.m. on 13th of July. It was there for about an hour. It left at about 5:19 a.m. on 13th of July, right there. So these are the details of the Indian plane that is left for Mehul Choksi. All right, we're getting these visuals of Mehul Choksi at the moment. The hunt intensifies for Mehul Choksi. The Indian Air Force sent the flight as well at the moment. He's got some relief to go back to Antigua and Barbuda on medical grounds. The fugitive was granted medical bail, as I was mentioning earlier, by the Dominican court, and the Indian Air Force plane landed at Douglas Charles Airport in Dominica. Vijay Agarwal is now joining us. All right, Mehul Choksi's lawyer Vijay Agarwal is now joining us live. Mr. Agarwal, Choksi has gotten interim bail at the moment on medical grounds, and he's back in Antigua. And India wants him back. The extradition talks are on. What do you have to say at this point of time with the Caribbean chase that is going on from India's end for Mehul Choksi?
See, the rule of law has been upheld by the Dominican courts, and they have accepted our request that every individual has a choice and a right to exercise that choice to be treated in the medical facilities of his own choice. And as the neurology department is not available in Dominica, so he's been sent back to Antigua. But my information is he's yet to go back to Dominica, Antigua, and then only further strategy would be drawn out. And you said that the extradition talks are on. Extradition cannot be done by the talks. It has to be through a legal process, which India had initiated in Antigua, but we are having a stay from the Antigua High Court. So this is going to take quite some time now. And
likely to cooperate with the Indian authorities, because he has evaded Indian authorities many times in the past. Is your client likely to cooperate?
See, it is not a question of cooperation at all. It is a legal case in the court. You don't talk to the Indian authorities, or there is no dialogue with the Indian authorities. Indian authorities filed the petition for extradition with the executive in Antigua, and we've taken a stay against that. So there is no question of cooperation or non-cooperation, because it is a legal process. It is not some investigation where there is going to be a cooperation, non-cooperation. And with respect, my client has now developed a greater cold feet after this kidnapping attempt on him. So at the moment, let him just come out of the shock, and then we'll see our legal strategy again. But because of this whole kidnapping episode, he's already under the shock. Nobody could have imagined that such a stunt would be tried to be executed by some authorities and the agencies.
One would only imagine, and I'm just playing devil's advocate here, that he's making up all these excuses. Whether it's his health reason, whether he's gone into shock, all of these seem to be multiple excuses that are being made by him, perhaps.
Yes, you are very right. You are very right. Nobody knows the truth, but the truth will come out. But please see, when the kidnapping thing was said, then it was said that he's making it up. Then this medical thing came, then it was said that he's making it up. Now the Dominica government hospital has certified that they cannot treat him because he needs a specialist neurologist. And the court has upheld the order. Then who and me, who are you and me now to say that he is making it up? So medical condition is now confirmed. And this neurological problem that he is facing is because of the torture that he has faced. So it is confirming. So it is very easy to say now, but all those mouths should now get closed. That who are saying that no, he is making it up. Now the government hospital certifies. Court believes that government hospital. But if somebody feels that he is above the doctor, he is above the government hospital expert opinion, he is above the High Court of Dominica, who's looked into everything with a pinch of salt and finally decided in our favor. So still one can say till the end, kuch to log kahenge, logo
Well, yes, absolutely. And you're a lawyer for Mehul Choksi. It is your job to defend him. We completely understand. Our viewers understand. The fact of the matter is Choksi is wanted in India in connection with the 13,500 crore Punjab National Bank fraud case. Thank you very much, Vijay Agarwal, for joining us and taking the time out. Manish Pandey is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Manish, what is happening at this point of time? Where does India stand vis-a-vis Mehul Choksi in the larger scheme of things?
Well, Chaiti, this was a golden opportunity for India to bring back Mehul Choksi because he was stuck in a country where he was not a resident and he was found entering into the country illegally. And there was a high hope that once the court rule out that Mehul Choksi should be handed over to which country, there was a representation from the Indian side, and both the Central Bureau of Investigation and Ministry of External Affairs, they had submitted an affidavit saying that Mehul Choksi is indeed an Indian citizen and he should be sent back to India. But now he is being sent to Antigua based on his medical condition. And now India will have to wait for long because remember, there is an extradition proceeding going on in Antigua. There is a matter of illegal entry going on in Dominica. Until these cases are not over, India cannot bring Mehul Choksi back to India to face the law here. So India will have to wait longer for Mehul Choksi. A month back, it was looking very easy for India, but because of his medical condition, he has been allowed to travel back to Antigua. And we have seen when Mehul Choksi travels to one country to another country, it has been always been very difficult for India, not only to track him down but also to bring Mehul Choksi back to our country.
Absolutely. Manish, thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details. We've got breaking news.